In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Drive link via Messenger. This is an essential skill for anyone who frequently needs to share files and wants the process to be hassle-free. Whether you're sending a document to a colleague, sharing photos with friends, or simply distributing a presentation, this method will make your life easier. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to Google Drive by typing drive.google.com. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Google Drive homepage where all your stored files and folders are organized. Knowing your way around this page is helpful because this is where you'll select the file you want to share. You can also organize your files into folders or search for them using the search bar if you have a lot of documents. Browse through your files and folders to locate the specific file you'd like to share. It could be a document, a picture, a video, any file stored in Google Drive. Once you've found it, right-click on the file to access the sharing options. You can also click once on the file and use the share icon at the top if you prefer that method. From the menu that appears, click on the option labeled Share. This will open the sharing settings for your selected file. By default, the setting is often restricted, meaning only people you specifically invite can access the file. If the file needs to be accessible to others without inviting them individually, you'll want to adjust this setting. Since our goal is to share the link easily through Messenger, you'll need to adjust this setting. Click on Restricted and a drop-down menu will appear. Choose the option Anyone with the link. This ensures that anyone who has a link can access the file, making sharing straightforward. Once you select the correct sharing setting, it's time to copy the link. In the same window, click the Copy Link button. This action copies the shareable link to your clipboard, ready to paste wherever you need. You can now share it via email, social media, or any messaging platform. Now, open your Messenger app, start a new chat, or go to an existing conversation where you want to send the file. In the message box, paste the link, either by right-clicking and selecting paste or using your keyboard shortcuts, and then hit send. It's that easy. And that's it. You've successfully shared a Google Drive file link via Messenger. This method is not only quick, but also secure, ensuring that only the intended recipients can access your file if they have the link. Following these simple steps makes sharing your documents with friends, family, or colleagues quick, easy, and efficient. Whether it's for work or personal use, Google Drive offers the flexibility and security you need. Happy sharing.